Fluent UI package design beautiful native Windows apps using Flutter. Like we have Cupertino and Material app for developing iOS and Android style apps. In this video, we will see how can we create native Windows-like UI using Fluent UI package.
Do you want to have your Flutter app, website or backend server completely developed in a high professional manner instead of developing it on your own? Then simply go to heyflutter.com/app and we will develop this app for you.
First of all, let's add the package Fluent UI in pubspec.yaml file under dependencies. Next, in main.dart file, let's replace the Material app with the Fluent app widget, which comes with the Fluent UI package. In my home page, we create a navigation view widget, which will be having 3 pages to navigate. Next, we set the app bar for our navigation view with title, background color, and automatically imply leading to false. Now we can have a navigation pane with open max width and open min width. Next, in this navigation pane, we can have our items such as home, files, and settings. Here, the selected item will be our current page. At first, our current page will be 0 as we want first item to be selected. And here we are changing the current page variable with the item index we are selecting. Next, we will have navigation body as content where we will show our content of our page. Here we pass the current page as selected index to show it inside the navigation body, and to its children we have the list of pages which we want to show. Inside the home page we have a button which is from Fluent UI package. Here we also have the icon with its own Fluent icons library. Inside the files page we have a chip widget with image, text and on pressed property. Inside the settings page we have tab view where we can have multiple tabs. Here you have seen the basic widgets of Fluent UI which can help you to start build Windows apps.